Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a fox with wings. So you can see that I'm using my black pen. I'm starting from its eyes. Now let's draw its nose and mouth. Okay, let's draw the structure of its face. It has two big ears. Now let's draw its body. Here's its hand. Now I'm drawing its legs. Here's another hand. Now let's draw its wings. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my black pen. In its body, I'm using my orange pen. In its mouth and ears, I'm using my red pen. In its wings, I'm using my green pen. I'm using my pencil a bit. Wow, it's looking too cute. Thank you so much for watching.